Myntri Rangbah ke Jalau konrad ki sama ne ke sengi ulak Kren Halor ki jing sngokya habede bar ki Jingkynnoh Thaw Kynhun Lehnoh Thymmai balatip kum ke United People's Front Upfkl Longri Upfkl usama ulapan sngoya kani hapo ing dorbar thawaan man kedau ya kilenti ulasim na sarkar ban khmi bnya ya kani ke bentah Myntri Rangbah ulak Kren ya kani hawajubab ya ka call attention belawan ra da UMLA ke UDP uba nujor ki sungo Hakejuk kapor usangma ulapdeng ikasithi na kajantia students movement JSM habede bat ketai kebenta ban ai ya kajingkular ba ka sarkar ketenat pulit bat ki board district ki 3 minut ban penek pensa ya kesuk kesan ha ki jaka kaput.
We have not taken things lightly. We have in fact ensured that our manpower and security forces have been enhanced and tightened in all the police units such as the Thymmai outpost, Nartyang police station, and armed personnel and special force personnel have been increased in all these locations after these inputs through the media again have come in. So there is no specific intel by the police and the government on these activities, but nonetheless we are not taking any chance, and hence based on the newspaper clippings, concerns of the different organizations, we have increased our manpower presence in the border area, especially close to these locations which I mentioned earlier, sir.